Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add an external account to Bank of America in 2025. Whether you're linking a savings account for seamless transfers or managing multiple finances, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bank of America online banking portal. If you haven't already, head to the Bank of America website or app and enter your username and password. Once you're in, look for the Transfers or Accounts section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, click on the option that says Add an external account or something similar. Bank of America has streamlined this for 2025, so it should be straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter the details of the external account, like the bank name, your account number, and the routing number. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Nobody wants a mix-up with their money. After entering the info, the system might ask you to verify the account. In 2025, this could involve small test deposits or a quick authentication code sent to your external bank's app. Once verified, confirm the addition, and voila, your accounts are linked. A quick tip: always keep an eye on security. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your finances. That's it for the steps. By following this, you'll save time and hassle on future transfers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.